Hey guys, welcome to our channel Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sign in to your new Instagram account. Before we start the video, please do subscribe to our channel for more of these tutorial videos. In order to sign up into your new Instagram account, first of all, go to www.instagram. Here we can see the Instagram login sign-in page. You can log in to your Instagram account with the Facebook too. Here we are going to show you how to sign up with Instagram with your email address or your phone number. So here, type in your correct mobile number or your email address. So I'm going to add my email address. You can also add your mobile number, that will be more easier. Add your full name. So in this box, type your username that you want for your Instagram profile and the password that you desire. Finally, click on the sign up button and you are already signed into your Instagram account. This will be your username. That was an easy tutorial for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was a bit helpful to you. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of these tutorial videos. Thank you so much.